Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to build a project using a sound sensor, LED and Arduino Uno. So if this sensor detects loud sound, the LED will toggle, right, like that. And have you ever wondered that we can connect the signal pin of the sound sensor with the digital pins of the Arduino as well as with the analog pins? So in this video I will show you that how we can connect with both of the pins. Now let us discuss the components that we are required for this project. First we need Arduino Uno, breadboard, few jumper wires, an LED to display whether the sound is detected or not, and you can also use buzzer instead of the LED. And the model number of the sound sensor is LN393, and with the same model number there comes another sound sensor which has 4 pins, right? One for the analog signal, one for the digital signal, and two for the VCC and the ground. But this sensor has only one signal pin, right? So I will show you with the help of the code that you can use this signal pin either with the digital pin or the analog pin. Now let us start building the circuit. So I will show you two types of circuit. In one circuit I will connect the signal pin of the sound sensor with the digital pin of the Arduino, and in another circuit I will connect this pin to the analog pins of the Arduino. So first of all let us place the sound sensor on the breadboard, and the middle pin of the sound sensor is the ground pin. So I will connect the brown wire to the ground of the sound sensor, and the right pin is the VCC, and take another jumper wire connected to the signal pin of the sound sensor, and connect the red wire on the 5-volt pin of the Arduino. So this is the 5-volt pin of Arduino, and brown wire will be connected to the ground, and connect the signal wire of the sound sensor to pin number, suppose pin number 3 of the Arduino, and place the LED on the breadboard. So this is the shorter leg, that means negative end, and this is the positive end, and take two jumper wires, one for the shorter leg and other for the bigger leg. So I will connect the blue wire in any of the digital pin like pin number 7, and this black wire will be connected to the ground. So this is the ground pin of the Arduino. Okay, so this is the complete circuit in which I use the signal pin of the sound sensor with the digital pin. Now to connect the signal pin of the sound sensor with the analog pin, just connect the green wire to any of the analog pin like pin number A5. Okay, so this is just a minor change you need to make to connect the signal pin of the sound sensor with the analog pin. So this is the first kind of program in which I am connecting the sensor signal pin to the pin number 3 of the Arduino, which is the digital pin, and LED to pin number 7. And I am also defining one variable is on to detect whether the LED is on or off. So initial value is false. And in the loop function I am reading the state of the sensor and storing the state into the sound level variable. So if the sound is detected, the sound level will be 1. Otherwise, if the sound is not detected, the sound level will be 0. So if the sound is detected, that means sound level equals to 1. Then we are further checking whether the LED is on or off. So if the LED is off, that means is on equals to false. Then we are writing high signal, that means we are turning on the LED. And otherwise, if the LED is on, then we are turning off the LED, and is on equals to false. So this is the program in which I connected the signal pin to the digital pin of the Arduino. Now let us move on to the code in which I will connect the sensor pin to the analog pin. So this is the program in which I have connected the sensor signal pin to the pin number A5 of the Arduino, and we need to define one more variable here called threshold value. So if the sound level is greater than this threshold value, it will be considered as the sound is detected, otherwise the sound will not be considered as a detected sound. So here I have written that if sound level is greater than threshold, then it will be considered as sound detected, and we are further checking that if the LED was previously on or not. So if the LED is previously off, we are turning on the LED here, and if the LED was previously on, we are turning off the LED. So I hope this program is clear to you. If you found this project helpful, like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubts regarding this project, you can comment down below, and we will meet in another video with the new project. Till then, goodbye.